you are somehow prepared that the world will constantly judge you, always judge you, आप चाहे कुछ भी कर लो. But when you have that sense of security कि यार मेरे पेरेंट्स या मेरी फैमिली तो एटलीस्ट दे विल नेवर स्टॉप टेकिंग अ स्टैंड फॉर मी, आई थिंक दैट इज अ बिग बिग रिलीफ, इजंट इट? लाइक यू फील लाइक भाड़ में जाए दुनिया यार.
आपके आधी से ज्यादा वरीज तो वहीं खत्म हो जाती हैं. बिकॉज हु एम आई आंसरेबल टू? एम आई आंसरेबल टू एनी फेसलेस पीपल?
करेक्ट.
एम आई आंसरेबल टू एनीबडी जिसको पता ही नहीं, जिसने मेरी जर्नी नहीं देखी, जो मुझे जानते नहीं, ना मैं उनको जानती हूँ? आई एम नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीबडी. आई एम ओनली आंसरेबल टू माई पेरेंट्स in this entire world.
Yeah. Time and again you've spoken about the support from your parents, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत important होता है, because उसके बिना चाहे पूरी दुनिया support ना करे, लेकिन if you know that you have your parents support, and especially for you because I'm sure they used to take you for auditions, you've spoken about how your father, you know, he wanted to become an actor and he somehow saw that dream through you. But मुझे ये भी लगता है कि जब parents इतने होल हार्टेडली अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट करते हैं, यू नो, और दे लेट देयर किड्स हैव व्हाट परहैप्स प्रोबेबली व्हाट दे डिडंट हैव, वो अपनी खुद की एक कंडीशनिंग साइकिल को ब्रेक कर रहे होते हैं. You think your mother, your father, they broke their own cycle of conditioning, like things that probably they weren't allowed to do or they weren't allowed to have, but they were like कि नहीं यार, हमारे बच्चे के पास तो ये, हमारी बच्ची को तो ये मिलना चाहिए.
Absolutely. And I think intentionally or unintentionally they do that every day, every week. Kyunki you know, as children we often don't realize that it's their also first time becoming parents and raising children. They learn things. कई बार हम नाराज होते हैं, या कई बार जब हमारा मूड खराब होता है तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि यू नो दिस इज नॉट हाउ आई वांट टू बी ट्रीटेड और रेज्ड, और आई डिडंट आस्क फॉर दिस एंड आस्क्ड फॉर दैट, बट दे जस्ट डूइंग देयर बेस्ट. तो मम्मी डैडी ने मुझे कभी भी ये कंडीशनिंग नहीं दी कि बी अ गुड गर्ल, दैट मीन्स बी एकदम ओबीडियंट, लिसन टू व्हाट एवरीबडी सेज, सबकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाओ और स्टे क्वाइट. उन्होंने मुझे कभी ये गुड गर्ल कंडीशनिंग दी ही नहीं. The definition of good girl is not that. The definition of a good girl जो मुझे उन्होंने सिखाया is be a good human, be respectful, stand for yourself, be empathetic, and have values, and have strong boundaries, and be kind. That is what a good girl means.
Yeah.
Being naive, just because किसी ने बोला then आपको हाँ बोलना है क्योंकि बड़े हैं, अब बोल दिया तो क्या कर सकते हैं, that's not being a good girl.
Yeah.
You know, you can be a good girl even when you have strong boundaries. It's just that you're harder to mess with.
Absolutely. We are trying to change the definition of good girl. Absolutely. And you rightly put that across, Jannat. But yeah, your mom, like, do you think उनको कभी कहा गया था कि, या उनसे कभी expectation थी while she was growing up, उनसे कभी expectation थी to be a good girl? Are there any things, her own conditioning that she has broken for you?
मेरी मम्मी घर की सबसे बड़ी है और मैं भी मेरे घर की सबसे बड़ी हूँ.
ओहो, elder sibling.
हाँ, तो मेरी मम्मी तो हमेशा इतनी पैम्पर्ड रही हैं, हमेशा. मुझे याद है कि मम्मी मुझे हमेशा एक किस्सा बताती हैं कि उनके कोई ट्यूशन के कोई सर थे, उन्होंने ना कोई पनिशमेंट मम्मा को दिया था.
अच्छा.
एंड मम्मा क्राइड एंड दैट वाज इट फॉर माय नाना. लाइक हाउ कैन शी क्राई? लाइक हाउ डिड यू मेक हर क्राई? एंड देन शी टेल्स मी दैट यू नो उन्होंने उसे निकाल दिया, फिर उसको डांटा दैट ये तुम नहीं कर सकते, मेरे घर में नहीं कर सकते, मेरे बच्चों को नहीं डांट सकते. नाज़नीन रोई कैसे, वो रोई कैसे. सो आई जस्ट फील वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे जो चीज़ें और कंडीशनिंग मिली है वो तो मुझे तो मिली ही है. और हम आज के टाइम पर ये बोलते हैं, जब हम इतना इवॉल्व कर रहे हैं एज पीपल, इतनी सारी नई चीज़ें हम देख रहे हैं, इतना एजुकेशन लोगों को मिल रहा है कि गर्ल चाइल्ड को कैसे ट्रीट करना है, कैसे नहीं ट्रीट करना है. उस टाइम पे मेरी मम्मी को इतनी अच्छी कंडीशनिंग मिली है, इतनी अच्छी लाइफ मिली. आई थिंक आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड आई रियली हैव सो मच ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर दैट. वरना कहीं ना कहीं आपको होता है ना कि यार मुझे तो ये लाइफ मिल रही है बट मम्मा को नहीं मिली.
राइट.
उन्होंने मुझे दी, दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट, बट उन्होंने कभी नहीं जिया ऐसा. बट मेरे केस में टचवुड ऐसा नहीं है.
It's so amazing.
Yeah, and I think that's amazing.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
It is.
Yeah, because उस time पर to raise a girl like that, to encourage her to have a voice of her own. That is why she could probably raise you like that. Now I get it.
Now you get it.
Now I get it.
It's been in my family. It's been in the
it's amazing. You're the eldest daughter. I'm also
Eldest.
the eldest daughter. मुझे बताओ, according to you, एक एडवांटेज क्या होता है और एक डिसएडवांटेज क्या होता है घर का सबसे बड़ा बच्चा होने में, स्पेशली एल्डेस्ट डॉटर?
I think सबसे बड़ा advantage होता है that we are exactly like our dads. And I think that's the biggest advantage. Okay. And one disadvantage, I think it's just so easier for the second child now because हम उनको इतना कुछ वो सीख जाते हैं हमारे थ्रू, इतनी चीज़ें हमारा जो भाई या हमारी बहन होती है उनके लिए इतनी ईजी हो जाती हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन डिसएडवांटेज बिकॉज जो चीज़ें मुझे मम्मी डैडी को सिखाने में या मम्मी डैडी को सेम पेज पर लाने में टाइम लगा, वो चीज़ें अयान को ऐसे ही मिल जाती हैं बिकॉज अब तो वो सीख गए, क्योंकि वो जो ट्रायल पीरियड था वो तो मेरे साथ हो गया. अब अयान को तो वो सब रेडीमेड ऐसे सर्व हो जाता है. अब मम्मी डैडी तो सेट हो गए, उन्हें तो पता है. So I just feel like this is one disadvantage.
Yeah.
One.
I have younger like brothers who are cousins, okay?
Yeah.
And I feel that I am like on my toes to call them out. मैं उनको like I really call them out, huh? Because if I see that they are, let's say, saying something which is not correct, या फिर if they are misbehaving with a girl, or I feel like, or also they're like teenagers, right? So नए relationships and all of that. So I'm like full ज्ञान, and they know that if they mess up, सबसे पहले तो they will have to face me.
Yeah, मतलब even in my case, and I'll tell you, now I started seeing this a lot. It comes on my feed also. That you should always date a guy who has a sister, an elder sister, because वो आधा तो अपनी बहन से रेज हुआ है.
Correct.
जिसने हमेशा उसको टाइट रखा हुआ है कि if you ever mess with a girl, तो लड़की का तो छोड़ो, पहले तो मैं तुम्हें देखूंगी. So I think that it's very true.
Yeah.
It is very true. Like आगे चल के लाइफ में अगर कभी भी कोई सिचुएशन आती है, God's forbid, anything that happens, I am taking the girl's side.
Of course. That's sorted. And
so my brother needs to know, and truly he's very respectful towards girls. He's very chivalrous.
He's raised among
yes, absolutely
such wonderful women. Yeah, that's why.
मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो जितना इतनी यंग एज में जितना रिस्पेक्टफुल, जितना कंसिडरेट, जितना चीज़ों को समझता है. जैसे मेरी भी सब जो दोस्तें हैं सब उसकी दीदियां हैं. Everybody is very fond of Ayan because it's not just me. वो उनके साथ भी रेज हुआ है. मेरी जो दोस्त हैं वो 12-12, 10-10, 13-13 साल पुरानी है. तो सिर्फ वो मेरे अराउंड नहीं रहा है, वो उन सब के अराउंड रहा है. तो उसको तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से पता है कि अच्छे से ट्रीट करना क्या होता है और प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट देना क्या होता है.
That's the perfect segue for a segment that I have for you.
Okay.
You spoke about trends and you spoke about princess treatment.
Yeah.
So एक trend चल रहा है अभी Instagram पर, I don't know if you've seen, bare minimum versus princess treatment.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a few situations and you tell me
whether it's bare minimum or princess
or whether
treatment.
it's princess treatment. Okay, first one, opens the car door for you.
Bare minimum.
Really?
Absolutely.
Okay.
See, this is basic manners.
हाँ.
Chivalry.
Basic
This is chivalry.
yeah.
And I am saying, see, if my mama comes down, I open the door for her. So is that princess treatment I'm giving to my mom? No, this is basic manners. I want my mama to comfortably sit in the car.
Correct. Agree with
It's got
you.
nothing to do with the gender also.
Absolutely. Okay, taken. Replies fast on WhatsApp.
Yeah, this is a little difficult because
Yeah, मेरे लिए तो bare minimum
but
है.
has to be bare minimum because all my friends does.
मतलब what I'm expecting is like attentiveness, right?
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो
like
to be
decent
attentive.
fast, not like same minute, but
हाँ.
like decent fast. Like
Decent
just don't
fast.
ghost for 7-8 hours.
Yeah. Okay. Takes aesthetic photos of you without asking.
Princess treatment.
Princess
Yes,
treatment?
yes.
Yeah. Like, and अगर वो पूछ ले कि
And
lighting
good
सही है?
pictures.
Good
And
pictures.
without asking.
Yeah. No, but then if he asks, see, lighting सही है ना? Oh,
Princess treatment.
like full princess. Okay. Buys you flowers randomly.
Oh, bare minimum. Yeah, my dad and my brother does. Like normally my friends also does for me.
You know, Jannat, that's why I feel that you have such, like, you will
And
have...
even my female friends, for that matter.
Yeah, इसलिए आपके standards
Yeah.
high है. You know that you are not going to settle
Yes.
below that. Like it, love it. Okay. doesn't flirt with other girls as a joke.
Oh my God, this ये bare minimum के कुछ
ये
नीचे है क्या?
हाँ,
तो ये वो है.
I agree. ये
Yeah.
bare मतलब भाई loyalty भी मतलब अभी क्या? Okay. Tells you he loves your mind.
Loves your mind. I think princess treatment because अगर वो इतना deep जाके उसको समझ आ रहा है कि this is all apart from this and beyond how you portray yourself, आपका दिमाग कैसा है, कैसा चलता है, if your head's strong or no, I think it's smart.
Yeah. No, I like it. A man
Yeah.
complimenting my mind is nice.
I think men, they don't express that much. I think it's good. Compliments are good. Being expressive is good. So princess treatment.
Princess treatment. Okay. Asks if you've eaten.
No,
बाबू
bare
ने
minimum.
खाना खाया?
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
हाँ यार, इतना तो कर ही सकते हो आप. Tells his friends about you.
See, I would say this is thoda upper than bare minimum and niche than princess treatment.
Okay, somewhere
Has
in
to
between.
be, somewhere in between.
Okay.
But not princess treatment for sure. I mean, if I'm with somebody, you have bro, go front.
Yeah, like I'm not even saying कि ऐसे थाली वाली बजाकर ऐसे announce
Yeah,
करो. I'm
but
just saying tell.
Yeah, but taking this as princess treatment just because a guy is telling his friends about you, I mean, girl, you're worth it.
Girl, yes.
Yeah.
Correct. यार ये चीज है, पता है हम ना कभी-कभी romanticize कर लेते हैं कुछ bare minimum चीजों को. Right? Do you
Yeah.
feel that?
I do.
That we start
I know what you're
romanticizing.
saying.
Yeah.
अब अगर वही चीज आपका पार्टनर नहीं करके अगर कोई और कर रहा है या आपका दोस्त अपने दोस्तों में बात कर रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है, आप बिल्कुल नहीं करोगे, राइट? तो फिर ये एक ही जगह पर क्यों होता है? Just because he's talking about you.
Correct. Yeah, you better talk up.
Yeah.
Okay, texts good morning and good night.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum. Yeah, do you have to. Defends you in public and resolves in private.
Princess treatment.
And last one. Puts his phone down when you're talking.
Princess treatment.
Really?
I think it's sweet, but again, I'm just contemplating in my mind
Yeah,
now.
like for
Because
example,
if you're talking to me, I'm not
Exactly.
using my phone. So
Exactly.
it's not princess treatment. I only romanticized it in my mind.
yes,
It's not princess treatment. It's basic manners.
it's basic manners.
You don't use your phone when somebody's talking to you, right?
Yeah, यार ये तो basic courtesy है, basic manners, and that's
No,
right.
but truly.
Yeah, I want to ask you this: has there ever been a film or any character that has shaped your idea of love or romance? Something that you've like romanticized a lot.
I think Jab We Met.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.